Wearing Mute is as easy as it is comfortable. Mute's 3 sizes and independent dilation system allows for subtle adjustment from one nostril to the other, ensuring optimal airflow. To get the best fit, with clean hands, hold Mute by the bridge, with the curved arms facing towards you. Place the curved arms into your nostrils first, so they make contact with the inside floor of your nose. You've got the correct position if the connecting bridge spans across the top of your nose. If not, push the connecting bridge upwards to the tip of your nose. It's the only part that should be visible outside your nose. As our noses are not symmetrical, you may need to remove Mute and adjust the width of the paddles on one or both sides for a customised fit. You have the right fit when you can feel more air entering your nasal passages as you breathe in through your nose. You should be able to feel the ribbed paddles hugging the internal curved wall of your nostril and finishing at the top of the crease of each nostril, where the nose meets your cheek. Try a smaller size if you cannot insert the curved arms and paddles at all, or feel any discomfort. If you have a large gap between the bridge of Mute and your nose, and you cannot guide it back any further without discomfort, then the size is probably too big for your nose. You have Mute upside down if the paddles are pointing down and resting at the bottom of the nose. Try a larger size if you feel that the top of the paddles are finishing well below the top crease of your nose. When you tug on the connecting bridge, you should feel a little resistance. If you pull the bridge and Mute easily comes out, it is too small.